Hi guys, this is an update video for my DigiPet Android app made in Unity. As you can see since the first video, I've added a menu screen. Here you can either load an existing pet or start a new one. If you start in a new one, the app will prompt the user to enter a name for the pet. But as this video is in the editor, the touchscreen keyboard doesn't work, and so it only works if it's built to the actual device itself. So in this example, the default name will be given to our new pet here. The first thing you notice when you enter this new scene is that there are two new objects in the scene. There is a little bowl to the left there and a rug there on the right. So if we were to tap on this bowl on the device, it will fill up with food, and that food will be there available for the pet when it gets hungry. So if I just cheat here and make it hungry now, like that, it'll head over there and it'll have something to eat. If I was to tap on the info panel for the pet again, you can see there is the usual health and food bar going up as it eats. But in addition to that, you've got the name at the top and the age at the bottom, which are new, and a mystery new progress bar and a mystery meds button, which we'll come to later. Okay. If we moving on. The pet is now heading over to the bed over there, and it's just going to sleep. Which, as the pet now has an invisible energy meter, so as it's wandering around, it'll become more and more tired, and at a certain point it'll decide it's time to go to bed, and it'll wander over here to have a sleep. And you can see there's a nice particle effect there that comes up as it sleeps. Now, while we've been talking, the pet has been wandering around and it has been pooping all over the place. There's not that many, but it's a few. Now if I was to just add a bit of a cheat here, and we'll chuck a couple more out here just to aid in the case. As it wanders over these poos, you see the little purple bar has started to fill up. See, this is a sickness bar. Yes, the pet can now get sick. As the pet will wander over, and if someone's not cleaning up after it, it'll start to get ill from walking over its poo. Right here, you see there's that poo there is a bit too close to its food, so it's becoming very, very ill from eating contaminated food. And once the sickness reaches a certain point, it becomes very sick indeed, and as you can see there, it starts giving off a green smoke, which is not very good at all. But not to worry, because we have this handy meds button. You can apply some medicine to it, and you get another nice little splash of medicine that comes out every time you click it, and it will improve the health of the pet somewhat. So as I keep clicking, it's now gone past the threshold where it's sick, and the smoke has stopped, and now it's back to full health. That more or less covers all the new features at the moment. We didn't really get to see the loading and saving, but as you can see there, it's a 3 minutes old spider named Franklin. It's in plenty of health, and thank you for listening.